Life gets busy. Between work, family, appointments, errands, and everything in between, keeping up with your home can start to feel like one more thing on an already full plate. That's where Maid Bright comes in. For more than 20 years, Maid Bright has helped families, professionals, seniors, and busy households. No mess, no stress, just clean homes. Whether you live in a condo, townhome, apartment, or single-family home, Maid Bright offers flexible services designed around your needs. Need a one-time cleaning or occasional help? Maid Bright offers convenient online booking options that make scheduling simple. Looking for dependable recurring service? You can also schedule a free in-home consultation to build a cleaning plan that fits your home and lifestyle. Every clean is built on a system designed for consistency, safety, and peace of mind. Maid Bright also uses eco-friendly cleaning products that are safe for children, pets, and your home. Behind every clean is a team you can trust, professionally trained vetted employees who are committed to delivering exceptional service day after day. Because Maid Bright isn't just about cleaning homes. It's about creating more time and the peace of mind that comes from walking into a space that feels fresh, calm, and cared for. Maid Bright, a clean home without the stress.